Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Whiteout survival notifications. So let's get started. First, launch Open Settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on Apps. Now select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Whiteout survival and perform your search. Now tap on Whiteout survival game. Scroll down a little and then tap on Notifications option. To turn on Whiteout survival notifications, enable Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn on Whiteout survival notifications. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.